Let's check out these solar lights that were gifted to me so that I could do this video. So I've got these all out of the box, and there are 4 in each box. These have a little area back here so that you can install them. They come with this little guide here so you know where to put your screws. This makes installation really easily. And then you've got your screws plus your little supports in there as well. These have 2 different settings for the light. They have a 3000K and a 6000K. And so you're gonna switch them on either to the right or the left, depending on which color temperature you want to do. I love solar lights because as soon as it gets dark, they automatically come on. They're very easy to care for. They just absorb the sun during the day and then they're ready to work at night. And these are waterproof, so of course they do great outside. You can put these on the side of your house, you can install them on your fence, you can put them on your decking, wherever you want to have some additional lighting that also looks really, really nice. Love these. So this is what the RGB lights look like at night. They look super cool. I love how they change colors. Very pretty. And this is what the lights look like at night here. They've got the 2 different color temperatures. And you just switch them over here. So you've got that one or that one. So you can see how nice that looks. Really lights up an area very well, and they come on as soon as it gets dark.